Oh no!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Lewisburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Oh, I forgot to turn my
Hazard,
HH
60
on.
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Belfast, Farmington, and Culleoka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.